This is me showing you the final product at the end of coating it all. So these four right here, this one was the one I double coated. Yes, that was the one I double coated. And this was the one that I did not use flour on before I coated it, while these ones are the ones that were properly done. Let me zoom in. So this is what you should have: an even layer of breading. And then we'll head on to frying process now. Starting to sizzle, but not enough, still not hot enough. You want your oil to be very hot so that outside will be very crispy and inside will be tender. But if your oil is not very hot, what you have is, it's not very crispy. So another thing I like to do is I could just do this and beat it with a spoon, like so. And then turn that around because this space is brown. So you will notice that down the pan, the breading is intact. It's not going to fall off because you breaded it very well, and also your oil is hot enough. So, but if your oil is not hot enough, what will happen is the breading will start, the bread part of it will start going off the body and expose the yam itself. So you need a hot oil for this. And then once you see that okay, it has browned to your liking, you reduce your heat source to medium heat, and then you continue frying so that inside will cook a little bit. Browning evenly. So once evenly browned, just transfer it onto the tray. Bring your heat level back up. So you have the medium, you have the high, so the temperature you'll be controlling it between the medium and between these two. So you notice that I placed it on the rack without the paper towel underneath it, because again, by the time you line it with paper towel, the crispy side that you got will become soggy, because the steam between the paper towel and the Yamarita will make it will not make it dry, it will make it wet, and then you lose all those good job you already did. So that's what it's looking like. So I don't know if you can see. This one was the double coated one. Just feels heavy to me, but it's not like it's terrible. Some people might like it. Let me know which one you prefer. If you like it this double coated or this single coated. And this one was the one that was not with the flour at first. You see that there are some layers that are missing the breadcrumbs. This one as well. Whereas this one that I put the flour in, evenly coated. Show you again. This without the first layer of flour. Very crunchy. Can you hear that sound? So, and then this is the oil that's left, and I'm going to do something for the purpose of this video. I'm not going to fry everything. I'm just going to keep this in the refrigerator and fry it tomorrow, and then we'll see how it goes. Because I believe you can do this ahead of time, but I've never done it. This is going to be my first time preparing it and keeping it ahead of time. So we'll see what will happen tomorrow when I fry this leftover batch. But let's have a taste with this one. Let's see how the inside looks. See how soft it is inside, but outside is very crunchy.